If you like video games or spend some time on the internet, you probably already heard about Twitch. But really, what is Twitch? And why is everybody so crazy about it? Well, stick around. My name is Gik Goku, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Twitch, and I'm going to teach you how to use it. Let's go. Twitch is an online social platform for watching and streaming live broadcasts, where the viewers and the streamers are able to interact in real time through the means of a chat. Twitch was founded in 2011 and it was later acquired by Amazon in 2014. It has more than 22 million monthly broadcasts and more than 15 million daily active users. One of my favorite parts about Twitch is that it's totally free. And I know what you're thinking. Nothing's free these days, right? Well, Twitch will play one advertisement at the beginning of the stream that you visit, and that's it. It's probably going to be less advertisements than what you will see in a YouTube video. Originally, Twitch was focused entirely in gaming, but today you'll find a broad range of broadcasts ranging from creation, artwork, music, podcasts, live shows, sports and charity events, and even some TV shows. There is an option to subscribe or sub to a particular channel for $5 a month. This subscription will allow you to use the channel's exclusive emotes. Now, what is an emote? An emote is just Twitch's name for an emoji. This is one of the best ways to show support for your favorite streamers, as a part of this money goes directly to them. This subscription will also remove the advertisement at the beginning of this particular channel. Now, some streamers may even provide some extra benefits, such as sub-only chats or access to polls or giveaways. However, and this is very important, the content and the access to the content in Twitch remains the same whether you have a subscription or not. There is another way to get a subscription, and this can be free. You remember at the beginning of this video I told you that Twitch was acquired by Amazon, right? Well, if you have Amazon Prime, you are entitled to one subscription to any channel you like in Twitch, completely for free. To do this, you only have to link your Amazon Prime account to your Twitch account, and they don't have to be under the same email, so you can use your parents' or your friend's Amazon Prime account. Now, if you're having some trouble doing this and you would like me to do a video explaining with the steps on how to do this, just leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to look into it. You can use Twitch from a PC, Android, iOS, Xbox, PlayStation, Chromecast, and even Roku. Let me show you how to use it on a PC.
First thing you want to do is open a web browser and type twitch.tv, or you can also click on the link in the description of this video. This will take you to the main Twitch page. This features popular, recommended, and followed channels if you are signed in. In order to get the full advantage of Twitch, you want to be signed in. If you don't have an account, it's very easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. You just have to click on this top button saying sign up and fill out this form. The only thing that you need is a valid email address. I'm not going to do it in this video since I already have an account, but I'm just going to log into mine. Now that you have an account, let's go into a channel. You can do so by clicking on any channel you see in the main page, or go directly by adding the channel name after twitch.tv. For example, let's go to my channel. Now this is what an offline channel is going to look like. It'll be pretty obvious that it's offline and that it's not broadcasting at the moment. But you can watch information about the stream, you go down below, or you can even watch videos from previous streams. Now let's go into a live channel. I'm going to click on this one by Dr. Lupo, which is in the discovery page, and it's going to take me to his channel. And it's pretty obvious on the left top corner, there's a red banner saying live. That indicates that the channel is live at the moment, and I can follow this channel simply by clicking on the top right button saying follow. Notifications are going to be turned on by default, so you might want to turn them off. It depends entirely on you. And this is going to allow me to follow this particular channel. It's going to appear on the left part of the screen right there.
Guys, if you like what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to get more content related to streaming and gaming. I also stream on Twitch every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now you know, guys, and I'll see you there.